is 53. This is an important message for the following Southeast Michigan. Freeze warning in effect from 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. Friday. What? Sub-freezing temperatures for several hours after midnight through sunrise Friday. Low temperatures near 30 occur in most areas with upper 20s possible in typically colder locations. Where? All of Southeast Michigan. When? From 2 a.m. tonight to 8 a.m. Friday morning. Impacts. Frost and freeze conditions will kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. Station KEC 63 in Southfield.